Okay, guys. So, a quick one. These silicone molds are for sale, and we have different type of it available. We have this shape, and it's already shaped. You don't need to trim edges after soap making. You don't need to cut your soap after soap making. All you need to do is to stamp your soap. So we have the clear type, we have the colored ones as well, and this is how it's gonna give you the shape. This is how the shape is. Okay, when you pour your soap inside and then you remove it, this is exactly how it looks. Okay, and it is very very beautiful. I sell one bar of this soap for 2 cedis 50 pesos in here for the like the wholesale price actually, but for retail I sell one for 3 cedis, and it is so convenient to use. It makes the work easy for me without struggling of shaping my soap and stuff. So it looks exactly the same. Okay, not it looks, is the same as the Clay Soft. Okay, the commercial Clay Soft laundry soap that we all know, the white one, the smaller one. Okay, is the same size, same weight. It is the same in everything. It's just that you would have the opportunity to put your own stamp on top of it or your logo on top of the bar soap. Okay, so that was all that I wanted to show you for this, and it's available. Okay, the colored one comes in its price, and then the white one or the clear one comes in its own prices. Okay, so for the measurement for this recipe is going to be on the screen as I am moving on. And please, this silicone mold is very expensive. Please don't suffocate me with reduce the price, reduce the price. Okay, it is very, very expensive. So if you're ready to purchase it, then kindly contact the number on your screen and you will get one. All right, it will be sent to you wherever that you are. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video. So without any struggle or without any pressure on me, I even left this soap inside the silicone mold for like 2 days because I had to do certain things which I couldn't get the time to remove them the next day. So I left it in there for like 2 days or 3 days or so, and I wasn't worried about cutting it and then it breaking because usually I'm gonna put a picture on the screen for you to see. The last time I made a soap, and I left it and went to my husband's place, came back, and I couldn't cut the soap because it was extremely hard because of the calcium carbonate that I usually add to my laundry soap. So it makes the soap hard within like 12 hours, or even sometimes it's not even up to 12 hours. So this very one for like 2 days or 3 days or so, it was very hard and I couldn't cut it to a smooth bar that I wanted it. But because these are individual silicone molds, I was able to leave it around for like 2 days or so or 3 days or so, and then I just came back to remove them, and all that I have to do is to stamp it as I want. And that's all. I put my name on it. And then if it is a hot process, you then package your soap for selling. but this is a cold process method, so I have to wait for at least 3 weeks before I can shrink wrap it for selling purpose. Okay, so it is very easy and comfortable to use this soap. Very, very easy and simple to use the silicone molds. You just pour it into the individual cavity, and then you wait for the next day or so, and then you remove your soap from it. And one thing is that you have to let your soap harden up because of the shape of the soap, or the shape of the silicone mold. For the soap to harden up a little, at least 12 to 24 hours is quite okay to remove the soap, so that you can get a uniform shape as the soap wants to give you. So you can see it's exactly the same as the clay soft that you know. It's exactly the same in height, in width, length, everything. So all that I do is to stamp them, and then I keep them aside for the curing period, and then I package them, I sell them, and I go my way. Initially, the one that I was using, the wooden molds, you have to stand on your feet. I have to cut them, shape them as I want. Sometimes it doesn't go as I want, and the stress comes in. And with this one, I don't have to waste any soup. I calculate according to the number that is going to fit in there. So the quantity of batch that I'm making, I know that is going to fit into 22 cavity, or 20 or 21 cavity. So I don't waste any soap around like before, whereby you have to shape it, and then extra soap is going to be around. You wouldn't know what to do. And then now you're going to do a rib batch and stuff. For this, there wouldn't be any leftover soap whereby you would have to rebatch again. Okay, so I would encourage you to purchase this and then use them as a soap maker. You're going to love it. Thank you. Bye.